Hey troopers, it's me, we're back, and today we're gonna make something with these, our hands. Today we're gonna do origami, which is a fancy word for folding paper. So all you'll need today is an origami square, like this one, and if you don't have one like this, you could make one out of plain sheet of paper, which measures 8.5 inches by 11 inches, but we have to turn this into a square like this, which measures 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. That's what makes it a square. If you'd like to take an ordinary sheet of paper and turn it into a square so you can follow along, just go to the end of the video and I'll show you how to do that. The last item you'll need today is a tool like this, a pair of scissors. Now, if you need your parents' permission to use one of these, please go get that permission now. Okay, so I'll give you a minute to get these items together and then we'll begin, okay? First, I want to say how much I love this origami butterfly because it is so beautiful, yet very, very simple to make. Let's begin. Our first step is to divide this paper into 4 quadrants, okay? Which is going to be real simple. What we do is we're going to take these 2 corners and match them up with these corners. Match them up perfectly, okay, before you press down and make a crease. Use your fingernails. Now you're going to take these corners and match them up with the ones on the right. Next, we're going to make triangles by taking opposite corners and folding it, matching it, and folding it. This way. By the way, if you would like to attract more butterflies to your own home, here's a few tips I got from Lowe's. The helpful pros at the garden center all told me that butterflies are attracted to large groupings of color. They like the bright colors. Red flowers are more attractive than the white ones. You might want to get nectar plants, which provide the butterflies food. Some examples are the butterfly bush, which I have in my yard, or different kinds of lilies. I found bachelor buttons, echinacea, and sunflowers on many lists of flowers butterflies like. Here are a few more I found. The next step, we're going to do an inverted fold, where we take these 2 folds and make them go inwards, just like that, making them together. Take this and press it down. Just like that. it. Next, we're going to take this big triangle and make it smaller by folding it in the middle. Like that. Now here's the option where you can cut and round off this corner, or just leave it the way it is. If you want to round it off, you take your scissors and round off the tip right here. Make it big and round, or small and sharp, just like that. Next step, we're going to open this up like that, and we're going to make the bottom wings by taking these corners here and folding them down, just like that. Line it up with the center line. Okay, take this corner, line it up with the center line, just like that. Like that. That's going to be our bottom wing. Finally, the last step. Can you believe that? We're at the last step. We're going to do what I call the bow wing fold. You're going to take this bottom tip here that's behind the two bottom wings, and you're going to bring it up to through the back up to the front. You're going to take this one and you're going to swing this up just like that, and you're going to make it come up a little bit so it pulls and bows this wing out a little bit, just like that. See? If we do it like this, it won't bow, but if you pull it up so it peeks over that horizon there, it will bow this butterfly's wing. So then take that and you're gonna fold it over just like that. Then, to help keep it there, we're gonna fold these wings back like that. Okay. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know if that's what butterflies sound like, because they're so quiet in my garden. But you can make your own sound effect for your butterfly when you finish making it. Let's see if we can make some more and add to this collection. Okay? Rewind and follow the directions again if you need it. Otherwise, continue and I'll show you how to make an origami square so you can make more of these in different colors. Maybe you'll want to use an orange or blue. I think we have some greens in here somewhere. Purple. Pink. So have fun, try different colors, and I'll catch you on the next video. Good luck.